we are going to represent and understand the value of each number in its place. Well, let's talk about what the place is real quickly. Oops, gotta let more people in. Hold on. Okay. So let's talk about what the place is. Place? Well, you have a place. Let's pretend that you are in your car, okay? So let's say here is your car. Okay, here's the lights. Yep. Yeah, you're driving along. I'm looking straight down. I'm a bird. I'm looking into your car from the top. And let's say somebody's driving. Here's the wheel. Here's the front seats. And here's the back seats. Okay. Now, do you have a place in your car that you normally sit? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Do you sit there all the time? Do they have a car seat for you? Mm-hmm. So do you sit in the middle? Is this your spot in the back? No. What about this right here? Is this you? Driving? Is that where you sit? I hope not. Mm-mm. Do you sit over here and watch? Look out the window? No. Do you sit over here in the back? Is this your spot where your seat is? Or over here? Mm-hmm. Where do you sit? You have your own spot. Okay, so numbers or place value also has their own spot. So let's talk about that for a moment. Let's say we have, are you ready for this? Guys, pencils down. I want you to be watching. Thank you. Let's pretend that you have a number and I'm going to give you a giant number. Let's pull a giant number out of Almo's head. Okay, Almo, hold still. Ready? Here's the biggest number I can pull out. Wah, 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 wah. Whoop. Ooh, I've got your number. It is 83. Wow. You're an old man. Look how old you are. 83 years old. Put your pencil down. Look up. So let's talk about what 83 really means. Now, each number is in its own place. What is place value? Place value is the value, how much each number is really worth. So let's talk about this for a moment. If it was $83, how much is this 3 worth? Is it worth 30, 300, 3 million, or 3 baby ones? Only 3 little ones. That's all it's worth. Wah. So if you pulled out $3 out of your pocket and tried to buy, I don't know, a Lamborghini, a mansion, a Tesla, yeah, you wouldn't have enough. It's not enough. It's not very much in value. None of the ones are of a lot of value. However, when you get enough, they grow up into tens. That's right. As soon as you can collect enough to make a 10, you move it over into the tall teenage tens. And now check out these tall tens. I'm really terrible at drawing tens. I'm going to have to draw 8 tall tens. Uh-oh, I make a boo-boo. What's my boo-boo? Quick, what did I do wrong? Arna, what did I do wrong?
Big thin rectangles instead of putting like lines in them.
True, but I don't have enough time to make the lines. There's a bigger boo-boo. What other boo-boo did I make? Yalini, can you see my boo-boo?
You're very big.
Say it again one more time.
You do very big.
Big is okay, but the value is wrong. Oh, what is wrong? Zara, can you tell? Do I have the right number of babies in my ones place? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. That looks good. I like that. What about over here in my tens place? What's my boo-boo?
Your boo-boo.
Yeah, I made a mistake. Let's see. Do I have 8 tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh-oh. Do I have the right number of tens?
No.
No, wah, wah, wah. I need to finish drawing my tens. I only have 5. Let's keep going. 6. I know they look funny. 7. And I'll put another one over here. 8. Now I've got 8 tall tens and 3 baby ones. Woo! For a minute there, I was representing the wrong value. All right, guys, get your piece of paper ready. You're going to do the same thing. Let me pull another number out of your head. And you are going to draw a T-chart, write the number, and then show me the model. Draw your tens and ones underneath. Okay, hold still, hold still. Whose head am I going to pull it out of? Ava, Ava, you have a number. It's 52. Everybody get ready. Write it right in your paper, on the middle of your paper, in the middle of your paper, 52. I want you to tell me what the value is. You get to draw the model of how many tens and ones. Write a T-chart. Your T-chart is your friend. Write a T-chart right through the middle of your number. Label it. You know I love labels. Tens and ones. And then draw your babies and your tall tens and make sure that you write the correct value. If it says 2 and you draw 10, is that right? If it says 5 and you only draw 1, is that right? That doesn't represent the right value. You have 20 seconds left. Whoa, Benito. Chef's kiss. Mwah, that was amazing. Who else? Oh, Arna. Wow, cheerleader. Poo, poo, poo. Good work. Let me see Christina's. Christina, slide it a little bit over so I can see the baby ones. And yes, excellent. Wow, I love it. Who else do I have? Who else? Almo, wow, here goes the wacky waving inflatable to arm tube man. Woo! Anybody left? Let me see. Hold up your paper. Arna, do you have a question?
It looks like I draw like the opposite side, but I did the right side.
Oh, that's totally fine. I see it right on my side, okay? So when you hold it up, it looks perfect to me. Let me see. Oh, Yalini. Yes, I love it. Let me see, Zara. Hold it a little closer, a little closer. Oh, and she drew a picture. But do I see tens and ones? Did you draw your 2 little baby ones underneath the 2? And did you draw your tall tens? I think you did. It's hard to read. All right, guys, wonderful job. So it should look like this. 2 little baby ones and 5, and you can draw your tens like this. 5 tall tens. Let me show you about a mistake that I had a friend make. Can I show you something real quick? This is a mistake that a friend made and they fixed it. Totally cool. But they made their ones look like tiny tall tens, almost like tally marks. I suggest strongly that you don't make them look like tens. You make them round, right? Like little circles. So let me do that again so that you know what I want the little baby ones to look like. Tiny, easy circles. Okay, guys, let's go on to our Kahoot. The question on our Kahoot will be, are you able to tell me the value of the number using tens and ones? So let's stop sharing, move over to our Kahoot and give you the code. Let's do our code. We're going to practice. Okay, 5 seconds till we get it. Loading game pin number, and I'm so proud of you guys. You are doing great. Here it is. Your Kahoot.it game pin number is 5806227. 5806227. Arna, Christina. Almo. Ava. With a heart.
Miss Cruz?
Yes, Arna?
Like some minutes ago, I taught like the before one class.
Oh, that's okay. Totally fine. Zara's here. Okay, we'll start in 10 seconds. You can still join. The code will still be on my screen at the bottom. They put it on the very bottom. Ben's here. Let's get started. Okay, guys, what are we doing? We are practicing the value of the number using tens and ones. What number is in the ones place? Look very carefully. Which one is the baby one? What number is in the ones place? Yes, wow, 4 guys, all of you got it right. That's correct. The number that was in the ones place, the baby ones, was 3. They call them units as well, rods and units. So make sure that you know the vocabulary. Oh, look at the scores. You know the vocabulary for what they're really called. Tens rods and baby ones are called units sometimes. So let's look at these units and rods. What number do these cubes represent? Ooh, that was so fast. I kind of want to do that one again. What happened with that one? You went too fast. So the correct answer was 64. There were 6 tall tens and 4 baby ones. That's right. So if you got it backwards, you were putting the ones in the wrong place. So take your time on this, guys. We slow down a little bit, okay? Now, which one of these numbers has 3 tens? Look at the tens place and 2 baby ones. It's got to have 3 tens and 2 ones. Wow. Okay, let's look and see what answer we have. This is the only one. If you were to slice a sandwich and put a T-chart right through the middle, this is the one that had 3 tens and 2 ones. If you said 22, we're supposed to have 3 tens, not 2 tens, right? And 5 tens, you added something together. Don't add. It was only asking for you to recognize the number. Okay, let's try a new one. Wow, here come the scores. They're going up. What number? Somebody spelled it wrong, is in the tens place. Slice the sandwich down the middle. I don't want the baby ones. What number is sitting in the tens place? Is it the 2, the 9? It was the 2. That's right. There was no 3. Who picked 3? There wasn't even a 3 in that number. Try again, okay, guys? Make sure that you are looking at the number carefully and knowing what place to look in. Yeah, each number has their own place. Wow, here comes the next one. We're not going to do all questions, okay? What number is the value of those cubes, 10 rods and ones? How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh-oh, we went too fast. The correct answer was there were 9 tall tens and 3 baby ones left over. That's right. So make sure that you slow down and count those tens, guys. Ooh, Ava's on fire. I'm going to go get my fire extinguisher. Good work. Okay, let's look at this one. What number is in the tens place? Draw a line down the middle. Which number is sitting in the tens place? Come on, guys, you got this. Oh, well, 5 of you got it right. And you said yes, there was a 6 sitting in the tens place. That means there were 6 tens. If you said 6, you got it right. That's right. Do not add the numbers together. Somebody's adding those ones and tens together, but that's weird because I never said to add. Don't add. Okay, we're not trying to add them together. We're just telling who's sitting in their spot. All right. That's all we're asking for. This is good practice for you to try at home. What number do you think would have 8 tens, 2 ones? I didn't say to add them together. Don't do it. But if you were to draw a T-chart on your paper and you put down 8 in the tens place and 2 in the ones place, you'd have 82. That's right. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 2 baby ones. 82 is right. Good work. Okay. One more question. Let me see. Wow, look at those scores. Nope, 2 more questions and we're done. What number do these cubes show? Stop, think. How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 baby ones. If you said 53, yeah, you got it right. Wow, there were 3 baby ones and 5 tall tens. That's the answer, 53. Last one. Let's do one more. One more, I promise. 3 players have reached answer streak 3. Wow, good work, guys. Okay, last question. What number is sitting in the baby ones place? Where? What number is sitting in the place for the ones? Wow, I'm gonna go celebrate. Hold on, let me do my spins. Ready? Here I go. Wow. I'm so proud of you. Everybody got it right. Kiss your brains. Mwah, 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 mwah. Chef's kiss. Mwah. Awesome. Fabulous. I'm so proud of you. And I think we're done. Let me stop sharing. This is a wonderful practice for you. Here's a game to try at home. Okay? Close your eyes and have your adult, your sibling, your brother, sister, your dog, somebody write a number. And then you have 10 seconds to tell them how many tens are in that number and how many ones. Okay? So have a little game with them and see who finds the value of the numbers in each place the fastest. What did we learn today? Something about how to recognize how many tens and ones are in a number. Yeah, and what did we also learn? I didn't ask to add. I just want to know what's in those places. What's the value? So another thing to know is tens. What's a 10? I need to know what a 10 is. Anybody is brave enough to tell me what a 10 is? Yalini?
Today we are drawing, so we want to send to you and put video.
Don't worry about that right now. Right now, I want you to tell me, what is a 10?
Tens is like 10, 20, 30. That's tens.
Those are tens. That's wonderful. But what exactly is a 10? What is it? Anybody know? Okay. I'm gonna ask Ben. Ben, what's a 10?
A 10.
Do you know what a 10 is?
A 10 is like 10, 20.
Wait, stop. That's exactly what Yeleni said. That tells me what the tens are when you count by tens. But what exactly is a 10? Is it a potato? Is it 4? Is it 1? What is it?
10 orange or potato.
So what is a 10?
A 10 is a number when the others like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and.
You said it. Can I say it for you too?
Yeah.
Can I just tell everybody what you mean? Look at the camera. Look at me.
Okay.
A 10 is baby ones put together. 10 baby ones stuck together. That's all it is.
What?
Imagine having 10 babies all stuck together.
Yeah.
That's right. When you build a 10, it's putting 10 ones or units together. That's what a 10 is. It's all grouped together into one 10 all together. All right, loves. I love you. You're free to go.
Yeah, bye.
See you for science.
Yeah, bye.
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 Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Practice. Practice.